Good morning, Bedford Hills. I'm Ella White, your SCA historian.
And I'm Ellie Brown, your SEA Safety Rep, and this is the news for Wednesday, February 19th, 2020.
Today's word of the day is contribute. To contribute means to give to a group cause.
Some are able to contribute food and clothing to shelters so those in need can use them.
In today's day in history, in 1792, the United States Postal Service was established.
In 1872, the Metropolitan Museum of Art opened in New York.
And in 1962, John Glenn was the first American to orbit the Earth.
Wow, that is such a coincidence. In library, 4th grade and 5th graders are reading this book called Hidden Figures.
Yes, and John Glenn relied heavily on an African-American hero by the name of Katherine Johnson.
She used math to calculate the path of the spaceship, so he could take off and land safely.
Yes, math calculations found the exact spot. History is so cool.
This is Ellie Brown.
And Ella White. Remember, be respectful,
Be responsible,
and be ready to learn.
It's the
Husky Way every day. Have a great day.